Hi, my name is Brock Bargy, and today I'm going to tell you about Kelly Cherry's Life at Work, a biographical criticism. Main idea: Kelly Cherry, the author, uses her life experience to paint vivid pictures and describe her family life to the readers. She ties her personal experiences and even her philosophical ideas into her work. There's a direct relationship between her writings and her family, her experience as a philosophy student, and her passion for music. Cherry's writings and her family life. Kelly Cherry writes in a touching manner in which others can relate to due to the fact that her writings are often about real life situations and struggles. The themes create a connection with her readers because often they have similar experiences, feelings, or they know someone who has gone through what is being described. The poem Alzheimer's is a good example of how Cherry connects with readers in a personal and touching manner. It is a disease that is to affect over 44 million people worldwide and is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. Relationship between her writing and her experiences as a philosophy student. Educationally, Cherry earned a Bachelor of Arts from Mary Washington College. She then went to earn a Master's in Fine Arts from the University of North Carolina, then pursued a Ph.D. in philosophy at Duquesne Fellowship. In many of her writings, it is clear to see her philosophical connection. For example, the Retreats of Thought are a collection of poems that Cherry wrote that are about a variety of philosophical issues, but written in sonnet form, trying in rhythm. The philosophical topics themes that are covered are what defines time, the goal of art, godness, and beauty, how little we know about the world we live in, and how philosophical problems govern like life like the sky. Relationship between Cherry's writing and her passion for music. Cherry's father was a music professor. He taught music at Louisiana State University. Her mother and her father were both violinists. They specialized in Beethoven's string quartets. They were dedicated to the art of music, but often struggled financially. The importance of the art of music was instilled in Kelly, her sister, and her brother at a young age. Her sister became a solo concert flutist, and her brother also became a writer. Cherry said she wrote a poem and discovered how music could be within poetry. She knew she had found her calling in life. Overall, Kelly Cherry explains that she works to resonate with the readers and her intention to have her writings be charged with feelings that impact others. Since the themes she chooses to write about her personal life experiences, she can do this more easily. She knows her topic inside and out. She explains that she takes her views on life and interprets them using personal language and rhythm. So basically, she is saying that she takes philosophical views and adds music to the language. She does this in order to say what other what others have tried to say in a musical kind of way. Thank you.